How do you make interactive Seaborn plots in Python? Imagine creating beautiful statistical charts that not only show data but also let you explore it with just a few clicks. That's what making Seaborn plots interactive is all about. Seaborn is fantastic for static visualizations, but if you want to add interactivity, you need to bring in some extra tools. First, remember that Seaborn is built on top of Matplotlib. So, to make Seaborn plots interactive, you can turn on Matplotlib's interactive mode. Inside a Jupyter notebook, you do this by typing %magic commands like %matplotlib widget or %matplotlib notebook before creating your plot. This allows you to zoom, pan, and explore the plot directly in the notebook. But if you want more advanced interactivity, like tooltips or dynamic updates, you can use Plotly. Plotly is a separate library that specializes in interactive visualizations. You can convert your Seaborn plots into Plotly objects using conversion functions, which keep the style but add features like zooming, panning, and hover info. Once converted, you can customize the plot further with Plotly's extensive options. Another option is Bokeh, which is designed for creating interactive plots in Python. Some Seaborn plots, especially joint plots, can be integrated with Bokeh by using a Bokeh backend or converting the plot. This gives you tools like zoom, pan, and hover tooltips directly on your Seaborn-generated images. You can also combine Seaborn with IPWidgets in Jupyter notebooks. IPWidgets lets you create sliders, drop-down menus, and buttons that update your plots based on user input. For example, you could change the data subset or parameters with a slider, and your Seaborn plot updates instantly. Here's a simple example to get you started. First, run the command %matplotlib widget. Then, load your data and create a Seaborn line plot. When you display it with pltshow, you can zoom and pan right inside the notebook. This is a quick way to add some interactivity without much extra work. To sum up, you can make Seaborn plots interactive by enabling Matplotlib's interactive mode, converting plots to Plotly for more features, integrating with Bokeh for hover tools, or using IPWidgets for dynamic controls. Combining these tools allows you to explore your data more easily and communicate your findings more effectively.